Less than a year old with tons of upgrades. Sellers are transferring sooner than expected, allowing you a chance at one of the most popular floor plans in sold-out Griffith Park. No backyard neighbors, at the end of a cul-de-sac, this is your perfect home. Oversized back covered patio created by adding 10 by 11 covered area with full concrete pad to original covered patio. Smart switch panel to control doors and temps from phone or computer. Additional upgrades include added shelving in pantry and primary closet, heavy-duty full extension slide-out rails, press-button garbage disposal, LED pendants added above island and in bathrooms, LED ceiling fan and den with retractable blades, garage has been painted and had LED lighting installed, driveway widened, LED solar lights across front of home, wonderfully landscaped with black rubber mulch. Community amenities include pool with zero entry splash pad,